this is Reina with WTI.
The purpose that I get in this baker rack stand was to create a place for a coffee station. It looks amazing. It's sturdy and well designed. It's small and doesn't take up much room. I appreciated the labeling. The instructions were clear. That made it easy to assemble this piece of furniture. Were easy to handle it alone. This stand is very useful. The black wire drawer, I use it for my tea boxes, or you can use it for bulky items. You have a lot of shelves. You can store things at various sizes. And the top mini shelf is a great bonus. It's a great choice for your kitchen or your living room, even your home office, because the stand has a classic and functional design.
And that is my point of view.